हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू एलपीई लर्निंग। आप देख रहे हैं रैपिड फायर एमसीक्यू फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, जिसमें हम कवर करेंगे 10 एमसीक्यूज इन द 5 मिनट। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, while conducting the short circuit test on the transformer, the following side is short circuited. Option A, high voltage side, low voltage side, primary side or secondary side. So correct answer is option B, low voltage side. During the short circuit test of the transformer, low voltage side is short circuited, and during the open circuit test, high voltage side is open circuited. Question 2, the main disadvantages of using the short pitch winding in alternator is that option A, reduce the harmonics in the generated voltage, reduces the total voltage around the armature coil and produces the symmetry in the three-phase winding. Option D, increase the copper of end connection. So correct answer is option B, reduces the total voltage around the armature coil. Question 3, out of the following method of heating, the one which is independent of the supply frequency is. So correct answer is option C, electrical resistance is independent of the supply frequency. Question 4, in RLC series circuit, resistance is 4 ohm, inductive reactance is 6 ohm and capacitive reactance is 3 ohm. Is conducted across the 220 volt 50 Hz single phase AC supply. So power factor is, so in series RLC circuit, impedance Z is equals to under root R square plus XL minus XC square. By putting this value, we get a total impedance 5 ohm and power factor is equals to R by Z 4 by 5, that is a 0.8 lagging. So correct answer is option B, 0.8 lagging. Next question, question 5, the potentiometer is basically the device for measuring what? Option A, measuring current, option B, comparing two voltage, option C, comparing the two current, and option D, measuring the voltage. So correct answer is option B, comparing the two voltage. Potentiometer is an instrument for measuring the voltage or potential difference by comparison of an unknown voltage with the known reference voltage. Question 6, which of the following generator have two field winding? Option A, series wound generator, B, shunt wound generator, compound wound generator, and option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option C, compound wound generator. In compound wound generator, there are the two sets of the field winding on each pole. One of them is connected in the series having the few turns of thick wire, and the other is connected in parallel having the many turns of the fine wire with the armature winding. Question 7, the equalizer rings are used in option A, lap winding, wave winding, multi-layer winding, and none of the above. So correct answer is option A, lap winding. The function of equalizer is to avoid the unequal current distribution at the brushes and to reduce the sparking between brushes and a commutator. It has a low resistance and made up of copper conductor. Question 8, in the RLC series circuit, the conduction below the resonant frequency is. In a conduction in RLC series circuit, we know that conduction occurs in the conductive band. That is, this is the conductive band for the series RLC circuit. In this condition, XC is greater than XL. So correct answer is option A, XC is greater than XL. Question 9, what is the main drawback of the paper as an insulating material? So correct answer is option D, it is a hygroscopic. Paper is hygroscopic, it absorbs the moisture and thus lower the insulation resistance of the cable. Next question, question 10, the unit of luminous flux is. Option A, lumen is the correct answer, and lux is a unit of illumination. तो ये थे हमारे 10 एमसीक्यूज। आपके इसमें से कितने आंसर करेक्ट आए हमें कमेंट कर जरूर बताएं, और आप हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम एंड टेलीग्राम ऑल्सो। तब तक के लिए लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को एलपीई लर्निंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।